Good morning, everyone. Sam is here from forex-magicweb.com. Today is Saturday morning at 9:30 a.m. here in Miami. Just recapping the whole last week and starting from June 25, which was, I guess, on Monday. And here are, we had a big week last week because of this European Union summit with all the big leaders were there. And actually, they came out with something on Friday, and we had a very big moving day on Friday. I'll show you now after when we get there. So let's get started from June 25th. As soon as the market opens up on that day, yen start to move, and then all the yen pairs. You all know that I use 3 yen pairs and 4 USD pairs. So the yen pairs that I use: Euro yen, Pound yen, and Aussie yen. Okay, so if yen is on the move, then all the 3 pairs are move, either up or down at the same time. So this is what it is. There was some kind of news or something, so that make the yen move. So this is the first trade is Euro yen 5-minute entry I found here on June 25th. Okay, which took all the way down here, and then the other one was also 15-minute pound yen entry. And as you can see, it was also almost the same time after opening the day on June 25th. Nice entry here on a 15-minute, and at the same time. Okay, these are the 2 pairs. I don't know what happened. Maybe I wasn't paying attention to Aussie yen. Might have missed it. Anyway, so on June 25th, also I had this Aussie USD. 15-minute, which was going up. Okay, so probably this Aussie dollar was getting very strong at that time. That's why I didn't have the entry for Aussie yen. Even though Aussie was getting strong, yen was getting strong, Aussie was getting strong as well. So that pair probably didn't move. As you can see here, the June 25th, Aussie USD went up. Okay, so this is how it is. And now this pound USD 5-minute on June 26th, which was also my birthday. So this is one of those trades. I guess I think I have more trades on that day, but I just didn't make those charts. Anyway, so here pound USD 1-minute reversal from there, from the top after making the high. First entry, second entry, June 27. Nice entries on a 1-minute chart. Okay, and most of my trades are like 5-minute and 1-minute, but last week was a lot of 15 and 30 minutes entries as well, because of this the summit, European summit was going on, and we were ranging and all that. So okay, now this one Aussie USD 5-minute entry here, and June 28. These entries 1-minute and 5-minute I also put it on my website as well. I had 2 entries that day. I forgot to put a 1-minute entry here, which that was only 20 pips actually, not 20, 40, sorry, 40 pips. Like I said, I only show 50 or more pip trades here in these videos. So that was that day. I remember it was I made a chart, 1-hour chart with Elliott wave counts and everything, and I was anticipating a drop after touching the 61.8% Fibonacci. And the first entry I got it on 1-minute, and I took it to the downside and cashed it on a daily pivot. And after that, it gave me a 5-minute setup, which I took this one here all the way down here to the parity. Anyway, so this is June 28, and June 29 was the big one after nothing happening, and then all of a sudden, I think the results start coming in. Some comments from the summit start coming in, and then we had some initial reactions, and finally the big reaction. But anyway, this is also Euro USD 1-minute on June 28. Okay, and I went backward. June 28, Euro USD 1-minute, 2 entries, and now this is this is June 29. But I missed the initial entry on this one here. Euro yen was a very drastic move. But later on I found out again, this, look at this nice beautiful entry. Indicator were perfectly in line, and price just came in and dipped and went up, and they gave me a more than 100 pip trade. So June 29, this is the one of those. Pound yen also dropped into the wave and then came out with this nice bullish candle, with indicators were completely in line, more than 100 pip trade right there, both of these trades. And look at this one, pound USD 30-minute. What a beautiful entry here, all the way up, huh? So this is June 29. There was a short entry, but not too many pips. But this one was the big one. Here you can see this one. I still have it on. I didn't close this one. I just took my chances. But also this one, I put it on my website, telling you that this entry was a little bit late because of all the action. I didn't get to catch all of those, but what happened is that I saw the entry a little bit later, and then I saw this pullback, a little pullback on a 1 minute chart, and then I took it anyway. Okay, and this is still alive, over the weekend. And this is also, look, June 29, Aussie USD 5-minute. Okay, this was just before the results came out. We were above the daily open, and almost going above the 200 EMA, and this candle closed above the 200 EMA, so that gave me a little encouragement to go up. And then I just opened a trade and put this stop loss right here, thinking that oh God, let's see what happens. The stop was very tight, so if the result would have been on the other side, and I would be get knocked out, but not too much, maybe 15-18 pips. But luckily, the result came out as I was anticipating, and look what happened after that. So this is Aussie USD 5-minute on 29. Okay, this is it. These are 12 trades that I did. I had more, like I said, but they're like around 35, 40 pips, 40, 45. Less than 50 pips I usually don't show. So not worth it. So this is the whole week. Very, 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 very lucrative, very positive. A lot of pips the whole week. And let's see what happens next week. I think the next week also is going to be bullish for eur-usd and all the USD pairs, because when the euro is getting pumped up, US dollar against it start getting weaker. And also I heard that the oil is also making a rally. So well, oil making a rally means the dollar is getting weaker. So let's see what happened. But most of the time, I think that we're gonna have a very nice bullish week next week. But you never know. Let's see. Okay, whatever comes out from this European Union summit, people think that something good came out. But believe me or not, I think that nothing good came out of this summit, because they're just getting the money a little bit easier. That's all. Okay. And they're not getting more money or anything. They're just getting the money easier. But the debts are still there. Okay, there is no solution for that. And how are they going to solve the problem? It doesn't matter. I mean, before they would have get the money through check. Now they said, okay, we will give you cash. So what does that difference? It doesn't make any difference to me. I mean, just getting money a little early, maybe a little easier, but you're getting the same amount of money. And the debts are there. They're not moving. Okay, they're not reducing. So I really don't see. This is just a market reaction. I see, and maybe next week sometime people are gonna realize that basically Eurozone didn't come out with anything from this meeting, and then I think that then eur-usd and all that, all those pairs, they're gonna go down again. Okay. My target is still, we may go up a little bit, but my target is still going down towards 1875 long term. All right. So let's see what happens. Maybe I'm wrong, but this is what I think. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.